That avocado pit you were about to throw in the trash? It can become a real tree on your windowsill. I'll show you the toothpick trick, the faster soil method, and the honest truth about whether it will ever give you fruit. Yes, a store-bought avocado seed will grow. Here is the whole thing in one breath. Clean the pit, peel off the thin brown skin, then either suspend it over water with toothpicks or plant it straight into soil. Keep it warm and you'll see roots in about 4 to 6 weeks. The toothpick method lets you watch the root form, which is oddly satisfying. The soil method is usually a little faster and skips the transplant shock. Both work. Let me walk you through each one. The list is short. 1 ripe avocado, 3 toothpicks, a glass or jar, a knife, an 8-inch pot with drainage holes, and regular potting mix. If you want the soil root, you can skip the glass and toothpicks. No rooting hormone, no grow lights, no special gear. Scoop out the pit and wash off every bit of green flesh because leftover fruit invites mold. Now the trick most people skip. Soak the seed in warm water for a day, then gently peel off that thin, papery brown skin. Under it is the smooth, tan seed, and peeling it can speed germination by a week or more. While you are there, find the 2 ends. The slightly pointed end goes up, and the wider, flatter end, where the roots come out, goes down. Get that backwards, and nothing happens. Push 3 toothpicks into the seed around its middle, spaced evenly, about ½ an inch deep. These are the legs that rest on the rim of your glass. Set the seed flat end down and fill the glass so the bottom inch sits in water, while the pointed top stays dry. Park it in a warm spot with bright, indirect light, not direct sun. Then, the one job you cannot skip. Change the water every few days, or at least once a week, so it stays clean. Stale water grows bacteria and rots the seed. In 2 to 6 weeks, the seed splits. A thick root pushes down, and a stem shoots up top. Prefer to skip the glass? Plant the prepped seed pointed end up in moist potting mix, leaving the top third poking out above the soil. Keep it damp but never soggy, somewhere warm. You lose the fun of watching the root, but the soil method is often faster, and the seedling never has to survive being moved from water into dirt. That transplant shock is real, and it sets water-grown plants back a couple of weeks. Either way, warmth is the secret. 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit wakes the seed up fastest. Once the root is a few inches long and the stem reaches about 6 or 7 inches, it is time to pot up. Move it into an 8-inch pot of sandy, well-draining soil and set the top of the seed just at the surface. Now do the thing that feels wrong. When the stem hits about 6 inches, pinch off the top couple of leaves. It sounds harsh, but that single cut forces the plant to branch out instead of growing into one lonely stick. You get a fuller, bushier tree. Then give it the brightest window you have and water deeply only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Let's save you the heartbreak. First, planting the seed upside down. Flat end down, always. Second, letting the water go cloudy and green, which rots the seed before it can root. Third, drowning a soil-grown seed. Damp, not swampy. Fourth, giving up too soon. 4 to 6 weeks feels like forever when you're staring at a bare pit, but that is normal, and some seeds take a full 8 weeks. And fifth, direct blazing sun on a fragile sprout. Bright and indirect until it toughens up. Now the honest part nobody likes to say out loud. A tree grown from a store-bought pit can take 7 to 15 years to fruit, if it ever does. And the fruit may taste nothing like the one you started with. Avocados aren't reliably self-pollinating, so many indoor trees never set fruit at all. If real avocados are the goal, a grafted nursery tree fruits in 3 to 4 years. But as a gorgeous, free houseplant grown from something you were about to throw away, It is honestly hard to beat. If this helped, subscribe for a new Grow It Yourself project every week. And head to gardeningdream.com for the full written guide with our variety picks and feeding schedule. Now go rescue that pit.